Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Apple TV model and why that matters. Older boxes lack an app store. Once done, sign into your Apple ID on the Apple TV and on an iPhone or iPad you control. This enables app transfer options. Make sure home sharing is enabled and both devices share the same Wi-Fi. Without that, transfers fail. Next, prepare to use the iOS App Store on your phone to purchase or download the app you want for sideloading or remote install. You now use the iPhone as the bridge. If the Apple TV model supports remote installs, go to the App Store, right arrow purchased, locate the app, and choose Install on your Apple TV. This pushes the app over the account. If remote install is unavailable, sideloading is the only way. You need a Mac with Xcode or a signing tool, a signed IPA of the app, and developer mode enabled on the Apple TV. Keep cables and credentials ready. Sideloading requires patience and correct signing. Finish by installing or deploying the signed IPA to the Apple TV, then reboot the box and verify the app launches. If it does not, double-check that the IPA was signed with the same Apple ID, re-sign and reinstall, and ensure developer mode is active. Also confirm tvOS is at the newest version that model accepts. Mismatched firmware blocks some apps. If you still hit errors, reset network and settings. Then repeat the sideload process with fresh certificates to resolve signature or pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.